Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a double jump in Unreal Engine 5. This video is very quickly and easy to follow, so let's see the final result. As you can see, the character is double jump and you can set it to double jump, triple jump and as many as you want. It is very easy and quickly video to follow. So let's build this system from scratch. So for this I just go to my BP third person character and in a detail panel I search for jump and on a bottom I see a option of max jump count. I set it 2 for my double jump and for triple jump I set it value 3 and for as many jumps you want you set just simply the number. I compile and save for my double jump and set my value 2. Now I test it. So you see it is very easy and very simple to make. I only change one thing and my character is double jump and jump again when I press the jump input. So this video is very quickly and easy. We set it very easy and quickly to customize as we want, and it is very easy and short and very much to the point. So you can only customize one variable to set your double jump or many jump as you want. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.